Hey you guys, welcome back. It's your girl Gigi. How are you guys doing today? Let me know in the comment how you feeling. Today's video I'm gonna be fixing under the stairs here. I have my little village. I got a Santa, I got a tree. We're gonna make it work together. So grab your chair, your tea, your coffee. Let's get it done. Okay? So So to start, I'm just gonna broom the floor first because I'm gonna be putting snow, quote unquote, on the floor. So I wanna make sure everything is all nice and clean. This side of the stairs, I hate the double stairs, and with everything, I feel like it looks so empty there. It's so unnecessary. I don't know why the previous owner had it like that, but we're working on it. We're working on fixing that. So for now, I'm gonna be using it. So as you can see here, I have the wreath of the not the wreath. I have the garland on the stairs. So far, I'm trying to make it look nice. So this center I bought it for like $24 at Walmart, and I was so surprised because it's so affordable because the centers are always so expensive. So I got that one. I got all the little houses and stuff like that at Walmart. I'm showing you guys here that I can plug it in. You don't need battery for it. And then I have a 4-foot tree to put there also. So you guys gonna see all that. With that being said, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my future videos. And if you like it, don't forget to like before you leave and leave me a comment below and let's chat. Also, we're gonna be fixing my dining room. So it's my first time fixing my dining room. I never had like a formal dining room before, so you guys definitely have to stay tuned for that because I love, love, love the turnout.
Come on in, get together. Come on in, nothing better. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. I'm out of place.
So as you can see here, the fake snow, the moment I dropped it on the floor, I did not like it. So I went to go get a bag to remove it on the floor because I don't know, it looked cheesy to me. So I'm not gonna use that, but I'm gonna use a fur rug that I have that I think that's gonna be much better with the style that I have in mind. So stay tuned to see that.
Christmas, babe, hope you're alright. When you're not here to walk with me, it all seems like a waste. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plans, bring the miracle back home around. 'Cause I need it in this part of town. 6:15 and you're still on my mind, while an old man sings "Oh Holy Night." Yeah, the streets might be full, but I'm empty inside. Merry Christmas, baby, wish you were mine. You're not here to walk with me, which makes it all seem gray. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plans, bring the miracle back home around. 'Cause I need it in this part of town. I don't need anything, guess I got everything. I should be doing just fine, but there is still something. It is that one thing still missing you. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plans, bring the miracle back home around. 'Cause I need it in this part of town. Yeah, I need it in this part of town.
All right, you guys, this is gonna be the finished look. I wanted to show you guys this vase that I got at the thrift store, and I got these flowers at Burlington Cook Factory to put in there. And this flower is so pretty, and I think it just ties everything together with the red accent. And this corner here is just like an awkward corner, but I wanted to do something with it, and I bought that. So this is what the village look like, you guys. My daughter said Santa in the tree or the giant in the village and the little houses, or like the regular where the regular people live, but Santa is the giant. So that's the idea we're going with. It's so cute. I really love this, and whenever somebody walk in, they turn to that corner. It's like, oh, this is really cute. And then I just wanted to show you guys how the garland look like, and I have a wreath up there, and I thought it was really cute. I added those accessories on there so it can make it look cute, and I didn't want to put ornaments or anything like that on the stairs because it's the double stairs. I didn't want it to be too much. So if I had like one, I would have make it really nice, but because I have the two stairs, I was like, it's gonna be looking too busy, so I'm not gonna put anything on there. So that's what that's looking like. I hope you guys like it, and if you do like it, leave me a comment, let me know, or if you don't, let me know what I could have done differently.
I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling. Now it's
right, onto the dining room now. If you have me on Instagram, you should already see this a fast forward of this video. I posted that video when I fixed the table. So if you haven't, check it out on my reels, because I made it with reels, so it's really nice when you see the fast forward one. So I'm just gonna set up my table. I set up my chargers. I realized that I forgot my placemat, but I will definitely add it when at the end of the video, so you will see that. Stay tuned for that.
sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. It was the night before Christmas.
Christmas, I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end. And somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorated.
Alright, you guys, this is the finish. Like I said, I added the placemats after. When I was buying placemats, I usually get 4 because we usually use 4. It's 4 of us, so we usually use 4 placemats on the breakfast nook. And I forgot that I was gonna be having a bigger table, so I had only 4. But on the head tables, I just put 2 different mats. This is the finished look. I used this flower, the flower you see. I glue it on the napkin ring, napkin holder, whatever. And I wanted to tie in the red, so I used the red chargers and this and the flowers. And then I put this wreath up there. This one is huge, so that's to tell you the dining room is so big. And then I have a tree in here, which I didn't make a video of me doing it because it was one of those days I woke up and then me and my daughter, we started decorating this tree. So I didn't have a video for it, but I'm showing you like a close-up look to see what it looks like. And I wanted to just only use red on here. And I have the tree topper from Walmart. This tree is 6 foot and it's a slim flock tree. And that's gonna be it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. That helps my channel so much. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Continued.